welcome back to another video. I hope you're all doing amazingly well today. So as you can see from the title, I'm going to be doing a review of the Project Lip Plumping Kit. So I was contacted by this brand and they asked me if I'd be interested in reviewing this. So essentially the Plumping Kit is a organic, cruelty-free, non-needle, I don't know if that's even the right word, way of actually plumping up your lips. So I've always been someone that would like more voluptuous lips, don't we all? I'm not someone who's interested in going down the cosmetics route. It's just not for me. That's just not something I'm interested in. I don't dislike my lips that much that I want to do that. But you know, if that is what you'd like to do, that is completely, you know, on you. It's up to you, it's your choice, your body. As long as you love it, that's the main thing, right? Nothing against it, just isn't really for me. When they asked me to review this, I was like, yes, absolutely, would love to test it out. Hopefully it works, but we'll see. So it's the first time I'm actually even opening the package, so we're going to be going through this together. This entire review is just exactly how things are going to be. So let's just jump in, shall we? In the pack you get a Project Lip Scrub. You get a Project Lip Mask, which is Prep the Pout. And then you get the Project Lip, and this is the Matte Plumping Primer. You get a little card which obviously gives you the instructions. So the first thing that we need to do is scrub the pout, which I need doing because my lips are so dry. It says on here, smooth those lips with our whipped vibrant orange lip scrub, the edible sugar-based fruity formula enriched with sweet orange oil extract to exfoliate and invigorate lips, giving a super soft pout. So I'm actually just going to try and do this right here and then quickly zip off to wipe off. Do you know what I mean? So this is what the packaging looks like, and the content is so orange. I am loving that. It smells really nice as well. Okay, before we do anything, here is a before, because I always forget to do a before. Taken just a little bit of a scoop . I'm going to layer it on first. Ooh. And then it says these circular motions. I mean, that is a good look for me. Echo, go away. Oh, it does taste nice. You can't have any. You can't have any lip scrub. I look like one of those kids that's just eating something and it's just all around their mouth. It says on the box to go and rinse it with warm water, so bear with me. So there, that is all off. My lips still feel a little bit dry. That's I think because they were so dry, but they do feel a lot smoother now. Now is to prep the pout, so you have to use the lip mask, and this is, it's Hip to Hydrate with your collagen infused hydrogel lip mask. Nourishing, conditioning and restoring vital natural vitamins, giving your lips a smooth, plumper and youthful pout. So now it's time for this, and it says on the back, gently remove film from both sides of the gel mask and apply to dry chapped lips, which is a given, I do. Leave for 15 to 20 minutes while I do my thing. Remove and pat lips to absorb excess serum. Okay, let's do this. So when you open it up, you get like a lip thing. Oh, it looks juicy. Right, let's remove the film. Sorry, try and do this on camera. So this is what it looks like. It looks a bit like my eye masks. Anyway. So my 15 minutes are up. The alarm's just gone off. My lips feel really lovely actually. They feel quite like plumpy. Like I feel like they already look a little bit plumper than they did beforehand. And they feel really soft and lovely, lovely, lovely. Whilst I was doing that, I just did a bit of eye makeup because I still need to finish the rest of my makeup look. But yes. Now to try step 3, which is the plump and pout. So this is, it says on here, prime, plump and hydrate in one with your unique matte plumping primer. So working with the lip's own collagen to enhance and give a plumper, more defined lip. Okay, so let's see how this goes. So it says on the side, apply generously on the lip and over the lip line. Press your lips together to activate. Reapply to maximise the plump as desired. So if you want a bigger plumper lip or more plumpy, then yes, let's go. And I think this is going to tingle. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's just a little tube, and when you open it up, oh, it's like a balm. Oh, okay, so that's a surprise. I thought it'd be like a gloss, but it's a balmy type thing. Okay, so let's do this. I'm gonna go over the lip line. Okay, so it's already started to tingle. I'm gonna put my lips together as they said and let it work its magic. It has like a hot tingly effect where you feel like it's, you know, pumping up your lips a little bit. It's a really interesting sensation. While that's working its magic, I'm going to put some blusher on. I feel like it's already working. It definitely, yeah, no, it definitely is. Oh, this is so fascinating. I'm just looking on their website. They actually do like different colours as well. So they have like the plumping lip balm in like actual lipstick colours. It definitely works. I can feel it. I can feel it lifting. It definitely has lifted my lips. I can feel it. I can feel the pout. It's amazing actually. I wonder if I can put lipstick on top. I really don't know. I'm gonna actually find that out, and I'll put it in the description box below if I do find it out. It's still tingling and I don't know when the tingling stops. So I don't know whether it's had its full effect yet, but so far, like, it looks really good. I've got like a little pimple at the top of my lip, by the way. It's not cold sore, although I am prone to them, but it isn't. It's a little pimple. But wow. So my overall thoughts. Honestly, I feel like it's amazing. It's worked so well. It seems like this is a great alternative for those of us that don't necessarily want to go down the surgical route or the cosmetics route and would like a very similar effect, but just using a product that makes your lips tingle. Like, honestly, I'm so impressed with the difference. It's quite interesting because you hear about products like this and you are a little bit unsure about whether they actually work, but this really, really, really has worked. I don't know what type of magic is in this, but it's amazing. I'm also reading on the website. What's really great as well about this product is that it's vegan friendly, it's cruelty free, it's gender free, and it's also made in the UK, which is awesome. The products are full of vitamin E, and it also says that if applied 3 times a day for 28 days, it has a long-term benefits and long-lasting effects. So if you want fuller lips, I will be applying this 3 times a day for the next 28 days because I do want a little bit more of a pout, and I think this has really given me that. This is just really umped my lips up like so amazingly. Like, I cannot believe it. Like, I mean, I am in shock because I'm a bit skeptical, I think. I was just a bit like, okay, so maybe a little bit, but you can clearly see a difference, which is amazing. I think that's incredible. I will put where you can purchase the product in the description box below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, which I'll post here. If you want to find out the next reviews that are coming up, I usually post on there prior to uploading a video, so make sure you follow me on there. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share with all your friends. It really, really, really means so much to me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!